Hello, and once again welcome back to Awning Depot. Today we'll be showing you how to print on your fabric. First off, take your piece of vinyl. Start to take out the sections that you'd like to print. This is called weeding. Once you've done that, take some application tape and lay it over the top of your template. Then, take the material you'll be printing on. On this occasion, we'll be using what's called a valance. There's 50mm at the top and 30mm at the bottom. Slowly start to take the back of the vinyl off. You may see that some of the vinyl will stay stuck down onto the back. Then line up and apply your template. Slowly but surely start to take off the application tape. This is very important that you take your time on this, as you may stretch the vinyl when doing so. Once you're happy and that you're done, take a roller and a heat gun. Apply the heat evenly over the top of the vinyl. Press hard down onto the vinyl and you'll notice that it starts to adhere properly. On this occasion with our print, we'll be using two colours, but you will always need a base coat. This base coat is the colour of the fabric. We only need a thin coat. This helps stop any bleeding from outside of the vinyl template. We'll be using two colours now. Let's start with the white. The aim is to only put one layer on. The aim is to put one layer on, but you don't want to put too much paint on, as when this dries, it could crack. It might be a good idea to put two coats, just thinly and evenly across your template. Once again, allow time to fully dry. This is very important, as the paint may crack when taking off the vinyl. Once again, slowly start to take off the vinyl. This will come with confidence. You may need a hobby knife to take out the inside of the lettering. On occasion, you may find that the paint has bled out of the lettering. Not to panic. Take a Stanley knife or a hobby knife and slowly scrape over the top of the paint, ensuring you don't hit the fabric. And you're done. It's as easy as that. From everybody here at Awning Depot, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.